ready to elevate your space. Join us as we discover how eco-friendly solid wood can transform old materials into stunning modern shelves that are not only stylish but also sustainable. Let's turn your home into a masterpiece while caring for the planet. What are some specific eco-friendly wood types to consider? Here are some specific eco-friendly wood types to consider for your woodworking projects. Bamboo. Technically a grass, bamboo grows quickly and is highly renewable. It's strong, lightweight, and suitable for furniture and decor. Reclaimed wood. Sourced from old buildings, furniture, or other structures, reclaimed wood reduces the demand for new lumber and adds unique character to projects. Cedar. Naturally resistant to decay and insects, cedar is a sustainable choice, especially when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Maple. Hard maple is durable and comes from sustainable sources. It's great for furniture and cabinetry due to its strength and attractive grain. Pine. Often sourced from fast-growing plantations, pine is a popular and affordable choice. Look for sustainably harvested varieties. Walnut. While more expensive, walnut is often sourced responsibly. It's known for its rich color and fine grain, making it ideal for high-end furniture. Ash. Ash is a strong, flexible wood that is often sustainably harvested. It's great for furniture, sports equipment, and more. Cherry. Cherry wood ages beautifully and is often sourced from sustainable forests. Its warm tones make it a favorite for fine furniture. Teak. Known for its durability and water resistance, teak is often sourced from sustainably managed plantations, making it ideal for outdoor furniture. Mango. Sourced from mango trees that are no longer productive for fruit, this wood is a sustainable option that features beautiful grain patterns. When selecting wood, always look for certifications such as FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, or SFI, Sustainable Forestry Initiative, to ensure that the wood is sourced responsibly. Here are some examples of minimalist shelf designs that emphasize simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. 1. Floating shelves. Description: these shelves are mounted directly to the wall without visible brackets, creating a sleek and airy look. They work well in modern spaces and can be used for displaying books, plants, or decorative items. 2. Ladder shelf. Description: a ladder-style shelf leans against the wall, featuring a series of horizontal shelves. This design is both functional and visually appealing, ideal for smaller spaces where floor space is limited. 3. Cube shelving. Description: cube shelves consist of a grid of square compartments, often left open. They can be arranged in various configurations and are perfect for organizing books and displaying decor in a minimalist manner. 4. Geometric shelves. Description: shelves with geometric shapes like triangles or hexagons add visual interest while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. These can be mounted on walls or used as standalone pieces. 5. Metal and wood combination. Description: a combination of metal frames and wooden shelves creates a modern, industrial look. The metal adds strength while the wood warms up the design, making it perfect for a minimalist yet cozy feel. 6. Simple box shelves. Description: box shelves are basic square or rectangular units that can be stacked or arranged freely on the wall. They provide a straightforward design that emphasizes the items displayed upon them. 7. Cantilever shelves. Description: these shelves are supported on one side only, creating a floating effect. This style is great for achieving a modern look and can be used to display items without cluttering the space. 8. Wire shelving. Description: wire shelves provide a light and open feel, making them ideal for minimalist designs. They work well in kitchens or bathrooms, allowing for easy access and visibility of stored items. 9. Corner shelves. Description: utilizing corner space, these shelves can be designed as simple triangular or rounded units. They maximize space while keeping the design clean and functional. 10. Modular shelving. Description: modular shelving units can be customized and rearranged according to your needs. They often feature simple lines and can be expanded or reduced in size, making them versatile and minimalist. These minimalist shelf designs focus on functionality and aesthetics, allowing items to shine without overwhelming the space. They can be crafted from various materials, including wood, metal, or even acrylic, depending on your style preference. Certainly, here are material suggestions for each minimalist shelf design. 1. Floating shelves. Material suggestions: solid wood, e.g., oak, maple, or pine. Plywood for a lightweight option. MDF, medium-density fiberboard for a smooth finish. 2. Ladder shelf. Material suggestions: solid wood, e.g., pine or birch for a natural look. Metal for a more industrial aesthetic. Plywood for a lightweight and sturdy structure. 3. Cube shelving. Material suggestions: plywood or MDF for clean edges. Solid wood for durability and a classic look. Particle board with a veneer finish for a cost-effective option. 4. Geometric shelves. Material suggestions: solid wood for a warm, natural appearance. Plywood for intricate geometric designs. Metal, e.g., steel or aluminum for a modern touch. 5. Metal and wood combination. Material suggestions: solid wood, e.g., reclaimed wood or hardwood for the shelves. Steel or iron for the frame or brackets. Powder-coated metal for a sleek finish. 6. Simple box shelves. Material suggestions: MDF for a smooth, painted finish. Plywood for a sturdy and visually appealing design. Solid wood for a more premium look. 7. Cantilever shelves. Material suggestions: solid wood for the shelf for strength and aesthetics. Plywood for a lighter option. Metal brackets for support, ensuring stability. 8. Wire shelving. Material suggestions: stainless steel for durability and rust resistance. Powder-coated steel for added color options. Heavy-duty plastic for lighter, budget-friendly options. 9. Corner shelves. Material suggestions: solid wood or plywood for a sturdy, traditional look. MDF for a painted finish. Metal brackets or corner connectors for support. 10. Modular shelving. Material suggestions: plywood or MDF for customizable units. Solid wood for high-end feel. Metal for frames and connectors to create various configurations. These materials can enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of each shelf design, allowing you to create beautiful, minimalist shelving that suits your style. Thank you for joining us on this journey into modern shelf design using eco-friendly solid wood. We hope you found inspiration in the creative possibilities that sustainable materials offer. Remember, by choosing solid wood, you're not only enhancing your living space with beautiful, functional designs, but also making a positive impact on the environment. As you embark on your own projects, keep in mind the importance of quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Whether you opt for floating shelves, ladder styles, or geometric shapes, the beauty of solid wood will shine through in every piece you create. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more woodworking tips and design ideas, and share your own shelf creations in the comments below. We'd love to see how you incorporate eco-friendly materials into your home decor. Until next time, happy crafting, and let's continue to make our spaces stylish and sustainable.